Not really set up completely for making videos yet, but here we go. Let me grab some wire here. Okay, you're going to want to strip off enough of the insulation to where you can work with the wire you've got exposed. And hopefully you'll have strippers and not cut off small bits of your wire like I just did. I don't know where my strippers are just yet. Okay, once you've got your two ends, have them meet about in the middle of both and wrap them around each other. I hope this is showing up good. So you've got something that looks like that. Hopefully that's in focus enough. Take a little bit of flux. Put it on the connection. All this does is clean up the wire once the heat's put to it, so the solder will stick better. I forgot to turn my iron on. Give me half a minute there. I don't have enough hands for this. There we go. That'll hold it. We're just about up to temperature. Now apply heat to the joint, not the solder. You may have to put a little bit of solder on the iron just to help transfer the heat, but you're not heating up the solder to dump into the wire. You want to heat up the wire. And then you can apply the solder to the wire. It'll eventually get hot enough to soak in. Oh, come on. There we go. And it'll wick into the wire. As you can see, your joint isn't any bigger than what the wire was in the first place. Solder is soaked into the wire and joined it. I'm pulling on it real hard and it's not going anywhere, but you don't have a glob. At this point, you'd want to tape over it with electrician's tape, or better yet, use some heat shrink to insulate it. That's about all. Once I get things set up, I'll try and put together some other stuff to show you how to do it, such as surface mount and through hole components and that kind of stuff. But for now, this will cover what you got. Have a good day.